welcome back to the channel. In this episode we will be discussing about important order type, stop loss order. What is stop loss order? With stop loss order you can limit your losses. Let me take one example. XYZ stocks trading at rupees 100, right? And you bought the stocks at 100 rupees, and if the stock is going high like 101, 102, 103, then definitely you will be making profit. But stock going down, you bought the stocks at 100, stock is going down 99, 98, 95, 19, 88 like this, then definitely you will be making losses. But placing a stop loss order, you can limit your losses. Look, you bought the stocks at 100 rupees, right? If stocks going down, you will be making losses, right? And you place a stop loss order at 95. When the price touch this 95 level, your order will be scared off at 95 rupees. And then if markets will go down further, you wouldn't make any losses because you placed a stop loss order at 95 rupees. If markets go down and touch that level, your positions will be scared off. And then market go down further, you wouldn't make any losses. So guys, I will be showing you live on Zerodha Trading Terminal. Before you do that, let me one thing. Here we just saw stop loss for bought stocks, but you can place a stop loss order for selling the stock. Like you can first sell the stocks at 100 rupees. If market goes up, then you will be making losses. And if market is going down, then you will be making profit. Is it clear? Because you sell the stock first. If the price is going high, then you will be making losses. So that's why you have to place sell stop loss order. So you want to place a sell stop loss order at rupees 104. Whenever the price will go up and touch 104, your positions will be scared up, and further the stock price will go up and you won't be making any losses. So let's open the Zerodha Trading Terminal. Over there I will be showing you how can you place stop loss order. So guys, you can see I have opened Zerodha Trading Terminal. Let me add some stocks like SBIN. Okay, I have added SBIN stocks on watch list. So I am going to purchase the stock first and then I would sell the stock first. One, product type intraday and type market, right? So I have to buy and bought this stock. So you can see executed one quantity 467.30, and over here you can see basically I made these positions in the morning today. Please ignore that, it's the option positions. And over here you can see one quantity SBIN I bought and I am making profit 20 paise. Okay, if SBIN price will go down, then definitely I will be making losses. That's why I am going to mention at the point, if SBIN share price will touch, then definitely I will book losses and scare of my position. How can I do that? By placing a stop loss order. So to place a stop loss order, just click SBIN and then this type of page will open. Have to click exit button and then have to select type, market, limit, SL and SLM. Just you have to select SLM, stop loss market. First of all, you have to check your quantity. How much quantity would you like to put here? Just I bought one quantity, that's why I have to skirt up one quantity. So I have put over here one quantity, and product type intraday and SLM. SLM is stop loss market. If you select SLM, then just put trigger price. Like our trigger price is 462. If markets touch this price, then we will book losses and will exit from position. But if you select SL, then you have to mention one price over there and trigger price over there like this. I want to place stop loss order 462. Just I place 462 over here, and at trigger price you have to mention the price little bit up of stop loss price. So 462.10. So whenever markets going down, first the share price will touch the trigger price, then our stop loss order will get activated and turn into sell market order, and our positions will be scared of, right? So like this. But if you place SLM, then you don't have to mention the price over here, just mention the trigger price 462 and swipe to sell. And you can check your stop loss order over here, open, it's a open order, sell SBIN, trigger price 462, right? If you want to modify this order, just tap modify or cancel. If you want to cancel this order, just click on cancel button. Otherwise modify one quantity SLM. If you want to change 463, just modify like this, you can do that, right? 463 is a trigger price, right? If market going down and touch this level, your positions will be scared off. It's a very simple process. I would strongly recommend, please use this order after make any positions for trading. If you want to cancel, then just like this you can cancel also, and you can exit your positions like this, exit intraday market like this. You can exit your positions. Let me add another stocks like Cipla Cipla is currently trading at 928 rupees and today performing not well. Share price will going down today, and if you think share price will go down further, then you can initiate short selling. Short selling means sell the first and then scare off positions by buying back. Okay, so over here Cipla 928 and I am going to sell the stock first. One quantity, let me so 10 quantity, approx margins 1857, 5 times leverage I am getting from Zerodha, and so I have to sell. If you haven't demat account yet, then you can check the description. Over there you can find Upstock Zerodha Angel Blocking account opening link. Just click to open account. If you want to any help regarding this is the WhatsApp number, you can reach out to us. So in the portfolio section you can see Cipla 10 quantity we have short today. Okay, if Cipla price is going down, then we will be making profit, but if the share price is going high, then definitely we will be making losses. So to limit the losses, we can place a stop loss order at higher price. Let's see, if market price is going high 932, then I will scare off this position. How can I do that? Just tap the position Cipla and click on exit button, quantity 10 intraday, and by selecting SLM we don't have to mention the price over here, just mention the trigger price 928 932. If share price of Cipla go up and touch this level 932, our positions will be scared off. We can limit our losses by placing stop loss order. Just I place the stop loss and you can see this order on order book Cipla 932. If you want to cancel, just have to click on cancel button, otherwise you can modify like this 10 quantity 132, and if you want to 135 like this, you can modify stop loss. If you want to exit as soon as possible, just 10 quantity intraday market and swipe to buy. I have exited from these positions, but our stop loss order is also active in the order book. We don't have any positions, but our stop loss is still on. That's why I have to close this stop loss order like this. So that's how you can place stop loss order to limit your losses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Do subscribe our channel. If you want to learn technical analysis and option trading in Hindi, then I would strongly recommend to visit our Hindi channel name called Tech and Finance. Please check the description to subscribe that channel. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask on comment section. I will be there.